We won! Alright guys, so if y'all saw the other video, we just knocked out the lift on the Ram. We put the 9-inch rough country in it. Then we put a spindle lift in the 2-wheel drive Silverado. So it's running about 7-8 inches in the front, 4 in the back. We're gonna go ahead and lift the back up a little bit more. And I thought, you know, while we're doing all this, I got that extra lift from buying the wrong one for the black truck. How about let's add a few more inches to this thing? So what we got right here, hold on one second, let me figure out how to turn this around. Well, I can't figure it out, so sorry y'all, I forgot I couldn't turn that around during the video. So what we got here is a 2008 Chevy Silverado. It's sitting on a 4-inch lift right now with 2 in the back. And what we're gonna throw in is a 4-inch spindle in the front. And then we got a 4-inch block for the back. So we might try to rig up something special for the back to get it to ride level. It's sitting on some 33s, but they rub a little bit. So my brother, he said, we got to find something to work on this for. When I bought the wrong lift for the truck, I told him, I said, this one will work on yours, let's throw it in. So we're about to knock this thing out, so I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. What's up guys? So we got the other 4-inch spindle put in this Silverado. So we're up to about 8 inches on this, 7 to 8. It's real similar to the black one. And then we went in and we got 6 in the rear, 8 in the front, and we got 35s on here. Compare these out. So everybody knows that Chevy's got a smaller fender well than like Dodge. So what we had to do even with this lift is cut a line here, and then in the back we had to cut and then hammer that little piece of rear fender out, if you can see it. Push it down a little bit. So come over to the back. Let me walk through here. So here in the back we got new U-bolts, new blocks, and we got this thing lifted up nice. Looks good, drives really good. We kind of got a string alignment going on it right now. It ain't pulling or nothing, but we're gonna go take it to a shop, maybe get everything set perfect. So step over here real quick and we'll show it to Paris. So the black truck, it's on 8 inches in the front, and then it's lifted 4 above stock in the rear, and this one's lifted about 6 in the rear. So you can see that the trucks are real similar, but if you step over here to this side where you can get a better look, we got about 2-inch rake backwards on it. So it's got a 2-inch squat on it right now, and I have another couple pieces we can put in the back to get it leveled out. I'll throw a video on here in the next couple days where we were towing with this truck and we pulled some lime rock with it, and you can see that it still tows. With this stance, I don't like it as much because the back squats down a lot quicker. So we're gonna level it back out so that it doesn't squat as bad. But overall, the thing ran good, drove good, had no issues with it. Can pull the dump trailer at 70, 75 miles an hour on the freeway with no issues. So y'all stay tuned. Basically, we just lifted everything we got, but we'll try to find something else to do. So y'all stay tuned.